of the world, the best, without discuss. Our coffee is the best, and alcoholic spirit drinks, organic salt, chocolate, our pottery, handcrafts, and traditional clothing. It is a celebration of the incredible creativity and determination of our people. The Expo is also a place for national and international companies to meet, explore business opportunities, and build new networks for investment. When we restored our independence in 2002, the world recognized Timor-Leste as a free nation. We had suffered greatly for our self-determination, but we knew that independence was only the beginning of a new struggle. The first task of nationhood was to establish peace and to build the state. We started with nothing but our dreams. We worked hard to build institutions, create stability and provide for the needs of our people. We established a democratic nation and an open economy with respect for human rights and the rule of law. Today, we face new challenges. Two-thirds of our population are under 35. Our young people are ready to work, ready to innovate, and ready to contribute. We need to create jobs, to reduce poverty, and to give our young people the chance to build their lives in our country. This is the challenge of economic sovereignty. Our strategic development plan set our long-term vision to develop our people, build critical infrastructure, and create a diversified and resilient economy. The government's program builds on that vision. It focuses on creating jobs, attracting investment, supporting the private sector, and preparing Timor-Leste for ASEAN membership. Too much of what we buy and consume is important, and too many of our people struggle to find decent work. We must change this. We must produce more of what we eat and use. We must process more of our own coffee, sandalwood, coconut and fish, and other things. We must sell not only to ourselves, but, if it is possible, to the world. Every Timorese product that replaces an import strengthens our independence. Every product that finds a market overseas brings income to families and gives real meaning to our sovereignty. We all know a strong economy cannot be built by government alone. Nowhere. It is business, small shops, farmers, fishers, traders, manufacturers, and innovators that drive growth. The government's role is to support them. That is why we are simplifying regulations, improving infrastructure, making it easier to do business and promoting Timor-Leste and its products. Micro, small and medium enterprises are especially critical. They are the face of our economy in every community, from coffee cooperatives in the mountains to the women waving ties in our village, to young people creating new digital companies. Here at this expo, we are particularly celebrating the Timoris who have created and branded their own products. They are innovators who inspire others and show what is possible. They prove that Timor-Leste can make quality products and sell them to the region, and why not to the world. This is what we need more of, to replace imports and to export, so that we can earn income for our nation. Many of the products here also draw on our unique culture and identity. Our strategic development plan makes clear that culture must be preserved and promoted as a foundation of national unity and as a driver of economic growth. Culture is not only the heart of our identity, it is an asset for our development. Supporting culture is not just about memory and tradition. It is about building national pride, strengthening unity, and creating livelihoods. This is what we need as a foundation for a strong economy that provides meaningful jobs for our people. Without jobs, there is no dignity. Without jobs, our young people cannot see their future in Timor. And without jobs, independence is without meaning. That is why the Expo is important. It connects entrepreneurs with investors. It opens markets. It encourages partnerships. It sends a clear message that Timor-Leste is ready to produce, to build, to create, and to grow. Now is a special time of opportunity. In October, Timor-Leste will join ASEAN. Membership will open a market of more than 600 million people. It will connect us more deeply into regional supply chains and make Timor-Leste a more attractive place to invest. With the right policies and support, we can use the position to expand trade, build industries, and create jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, be patient. I will talk for another hour. We achieved our sovereignty through struggle. Today the struggle continues for our economic sovereignty. This expo is an opportunity to showcase our products, bring innovators and investors together, and promote a new, diversified Timorese economy. Let us work together to turn independence into lasting prosperity, and let us build a future where our young people have confidence in the promise of our country. It is my honor to declare the Delhi Trade Expo 2025 open. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the Prime Minister of Timor-Leste, Mr. Ronald Shinano Guzman, for your visionary address. Another big round of applause, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, for the Prime Minister of Timor-Leste, Mr. Ronald Shinano Guzman.
Dari datanya dari Baselima Sua Excelência Primeiro-Ministro República Democrática de Timor-Leste, Kairala Shinano Guzman.
这一次我们感谢中央民主共和国总理加拿大总理以及给我们精彩的发言，所以希望通过今天的第一国际展览会，我们希望我们可以吸引很多多这些，尤其是从来自澳门、香港、中国来，我们都在这边投资，我们非常欢迎大家来这边投资，谢谢大家。
Para distintos convidados tirar voto, malu para voto.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Excelências, na inolo no distintos convidados tirar voto. Tu irmã itaba assiste a mutu cerimônia assina nota entendimento.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we will now witness the signing of Memorandum of Understanding.
各位来宾，尊敬的领导，我们现在将见证一下双方签署连接备忘录。
Hadirin yang kami hormati, kini kita akan menyaksikan momen bersejarah penandatanganan nota kesepahaman antara perusahaan nasional dan mitra internasional. Assinatura nota do entendimento. Cooperação protocolo para qualidade pesquisa Cúculo Oil e a Timor-Leste. Acordo cooperação para desenvolvimento mercado produto TASI e a Timor-Leste. Acordo cooperação Timor Global. Acordo cooperação para desenvolvimento mercado produto Mina Virgem e a Timor-Leste. Acordo cooperação, modernização da capacidade produtiva no desenvolvimento produto entre Frank and Chinchen, Macau com a Celda, Timor-Leste. Assina nota entendimento para desenvolvimento processo Hamoos Foer no reciclagem, planta e a área industrial Timor-Leste. Assina nota entendimento entre Suhurama no Yuan Li Turbine. No Icusliu, assina acordo cooperação e a área construção material indústria e a Timor-Leste.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we will be witnessing the Cooperation Protocol for Quality Control of Oil in Timor-Leste, Cooperation Agreement on the Development of the Salt Market Project in Timor-Leste, Timor Global Cooperation Project, and Cooperation Agreement on the Development of the Virgin Coconut Oil Market in Timor-Leste, Cooperation Agreement on Modernization and Productivity Capacity Development for the project between Francine Chinchao Macau and Acelda Timor-Leste, the signing of Memorandum of Understanding on the development of the processing and recycling plants in industrial area of Timor-Leste, signing Memorandum of Understanding between Suhuva, Suhurama, and Yunli Turbine, and last but not least, the signing of agreement cooperation in the building materials company.
女士们、先生们，连接备忘录签署跟中国一些企业和中国，尤其是澳门的，你们现在准备，马上我们要叫一个一个，然后你们过来签。
Me convida por respeito Sua Excelência Ministro do Comércio no Indústria, Senhor Nino Pereira, acompanha o Excelentíssimo Presidente da Câmara do Comércio de Timor-Leste, Senhor Jorge Serrano, atubele saisassin ba assinatura nota entendimento idanel.
Before that, we'd like to invite all the signees to please proceed to the table that will be prepared by the event organizer.
我今邀请东帝汶工商会主席，还有工商部部长。
Sua Excelência, Senhor Ministro, o Excelentíssimo Senhor Presidente da Câmara do Comércio e Indústria Timor-Leste, amigo seu respeito, a tocar mais repórdio, a tu sai sassi, para assinatura, nota, entendimento e dele.
E o Instituto de Bacia uma caixa lá para a senhora Gilda Guzmão, nessa businesswoman timornia, vê que ele nessa representa Fito Timor-Leste e a mundo business dele.
Consambu Chusi Consambu Pucaya Chusi mencintai janji isu.
Pertama-tama kita saksikan penandatanganan protokol kerjasama untuk pengendalian kualitas minyak di Timor Leste dan penandatanganan perjanjian kerjasama tentang pengembangan proyek pasar garam di Timor Leste, proyek kerjasama Global Timor, perjanjian kerjasama tentang pengembangan pasar minyak kelapa murni di Timor Leste, dilanjutkan dengan penandatanganan perjanjian kerjasama tentang modernisasi dan pengembangan kapasitas produksi antara franchise Cicau, Macau, dan Acelda Timor Leste. Selanjutnya penandatanganan nota kesepahaman tentang pengembangan pabrik pengolahan dan daur ulang di kawasan industri Timor Leste. Kemudian penandatanganan nota kesepahaman antara Suhu Rama dan Yuan Li Turbin. Dan yang terakhir penandatanganan kerjasama di perusahaan bahan bangunan.
And the signing of memorandum will be witnessed by His Excellency the Prime Minister himself, Mr. Karol Shalana Guzmão, the President of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Timor-Leste, and accompanied by His Excellency the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Nino Pereira. Some of the documents have been signed. A big round of applause, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen.
Marca e a história comércio Timor-Leste. Assinatura, nota idane, lugar dalam, bank entrada, mercado internasional, di Tani Bahasa Lima Makas.
Itu hotel Bahasa Lima Makas dan lihat lá iba Itania empresário timor-leste não que assinou um acordo com Itania parceiro Rússia Radio e ele tem Timor-Leste em Toro e a senhora Ginilda, o chefe da Timor-Leste e a senhora representante Rússia Timor Global, nomos senhor Ricardo Newman.
女士们、先生们，我们希望通过今天的连接备忘录签署仪式，我们会吸引很多投资者来这边，给我们很多机会。希望我们跟他们学习希望尤其是今天更多的中国朋友们，我们中地人非常欢迎你们来投资我们经济还有很多方面的，谢谢。
Na inololo distintos convidados Sirahoku, marca e a história do comércio Timor-Leste. Dalam datang, Itani Bahasa Lima, bakas by Excelência Sirahoku.
This is a big moment for His Excellency the Prime Minister.
来，我们掌声鼓励。现在我们要黑一下，你们先别走。
Tua irmã está continua com foto família.
Oh, e a continuação
等一下
para...
了哦。
Okay.
Tua irmã ini kita vai assistir a mutu assinatura nota entendimento entre Timor Global e PT Acelda Timor-Leste.
Again, this agreement of understanding will be witnessed by His Excellency the Prime Minister and the Minister of Commerce and Industry, accompanied by the President of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Timor-Leste. So we are now witnessing the cooperation agreement between Timor Global Cooperation Project and the cooperation agreement on modernization and productivity capacity development for the project between Panchinchina Macau, Qingchao Macau and Ashelda, Timor-Leste. The document has been signed. Big round of applause, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen.
Delegatari di Basa Liman, dokumentus abaixo assinado.
连接备忘录签署仪式已经签好了。下面我先有请大家要跟我们领导一起合影。先一起合影一下。
Se iha foto família, também convida a você foto, por favor, também iha
We will now proceed to the photo session. With all the respect, we'd like to invite all the signees who will be signing the document to please join us again on the stage for a photo session. Again.
Ba empresário Timor Wansira, nós ba empresário do chinês Macaunia, nebe makuning assina uma memorando do entendimento. A tu bele haka filmai ia oi, a tua sai foto família, por sua excelência, primeiro-ministro da República Democrática de Timor-Leste.
We'd like to invite all of the signees for the first section to please join us for the photo session.
刚才已经签 MOU 的，我们想有请你们来一起拍照。
Sebuah jurnalis dan agent media saya fotografer saya karena berbaik untuk itu anda.
Surat Tolu, Ida Rua Tolu.
Fotografia primeiro, seu grupo acompanha-se Sua Excelência Ministro de Comércio e Indústria, Senhor Presidente da Câmara de Comércio e Indústria. E segundo foto linha, se acompanha-nos Sua Excelência Primeiro-Ministro, Senhor Carlos Chinano Guzmão. Então, eu tenho ser uma caixa lá e vai ter parceiros dos empresários de Timor-Leste, que falam na parceria e acordo de que o assinam.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, a rounding applause for Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste.
For respeto, convidei de volta do Belatur pela Fala Fatem. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
我们邀请你们先回去。
Excelências na Inolou no Distrito convidados Sirahoto. Ita Toona, ida momento ida Ashley. Ida cerimônia importante loro ida hoje. convida Itahoto a tuba assistir a moto lançamento oficial Husi Dili International Trade Expo Tina, Rio Rua Nulu Reser Lima.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at one of the most significant moments of today's ceremony. We invite you all to witness together the official launching of the Delhi International Trade Expo 2025. We now call upon our distinguished leaders and our guests to proceed for the ribbon cutting ceremony and to officially open the event park, make it and ready.
Dalidatan convida Excelência Sirahoto atau halo favor hak basic an ba iha event park in evento atau acompanha lançamento expo itane.
Once again, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at one of the most significant moments of today's ceremony. We invite you all to witness together the official launching of Delhi International Trade Expo, proceed for the ribbon cutting ceremony, and to officially open the event park, make it and ready.
A me convida Sua Excelência Primeiro-Ministro, Sua Excelência Ministro de Transporte e Comunicações, no Vice-PM, Secretário de Estado, Ministério do Comércio Reino Camboja, Chief of Delegation from China, Chief of Delegation from Macau, Bapak Wakil Gubernur Nusa Tenggara Timur, Bapak Ketua Himpunan Kerukunan Tani Indonesia, Bapak Legend Bahtiar Utomo, Bapak Bupati Belu, Bapak Bupati Timur Tengah Utara, Chief of Delegation from the Brunei Darussalam, Chief of Delegation from the Republic of India, Chief of Delegation from Malaysia, acompanha o dignitários do Estado Sirahoto.
Once again, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at one of the most significant moments of today's ceremony. We invite you all together to witness the official launching of the Delhi International Tech Expo 2025. We now call our distinguished leaders and honorable guests to proceed to the ribbon cutting ceremony and to officially open the event park, make it and run it.
女士们、先生们，各位领导，我们已经来了今天中最重要的4个距离。我们将要各位共同见证2026年地理国际贸易展览会的正式开幕。现在，我们将要各位领导和嘉宾参加现在仪式，并正式开启活动会议。
Mana may tengkot dong, mana Pak? Review.
Conta lá, MC. MC conta ma bene. Sura. Musik.